Hi friends, in today's video, we will see how to start a company in Alberta in less than 10 minutes. And for that, as you can see on the screen, once you come down, this is the YouTube description section. And once you click here, you will see the link. Click that link. And then you come to this website Ownr. As you can see, by using this link, you will automatically get a 15% discount at the time of checkout. So make sure to use this link and on get started now. If we click here, we come to let's get started. And here, tell us about your business. Are you registering a new business or bringing an existing company to Ownr? I'm choosing new. You can select your option. Then I'm selecting province as Alberta and click next. And then there are two options for the business structure. You can go and take time to go through this incorporation or sole proprietorship. For today's video, I'll be showing incorporation, both named and numbered. Named, I'll show you how to find name and how to make sure that it is matching with the requirement. And once you get that idea, you will be able to do rest of the things on own. Between numbered and name, that is the only one which is an extra layer. Otherwise, remaining things are going to be straightforward in both the cases, which you will see in the video. So once I select incorporation, about your company, I want a named or numbered company. I'll come to numbered later on. First, let me show you named. Okay. So my company will be called. Here you have to enter the name which you want to give for your company. I'm sure by now you would have made up mind with a particular name. If not, so click here, you get an example. Okay. Chopping, Eatery and Mill. So here the name is distinctive and descriptive. I'll show with an example with a company's name which I have in mind, Nova Cyber Consulting. So once I select that, you see here, it says your name satisfies all legal requirement and has passed preliminary naming search test. Okay. So from this legal entity, you can choose anyone, whichever you want from this drop down. So I'm choosing this. So the company what I have in my mind is Nova Cyber Consulting Inc. And then I can click next, which will get me to the sign up page. Okay. Before that, as I have shown you how to come with a name and make sure it is correct, that part is done. We'll go back to the numbered company. And once I select numbered company, it gets me to the same sign up page. So here, first name, last name, email and password. You enter that. I click sign up. Now that we are looking for a numbered company in Alberta, you will get to this page where first is the account information, where you'll have to enter your Canadian phone number and the address has to be in the province of Alberta. And then you have to check I am a Canadian resident. What is Canadian resident? It includes citizens and permanent resident who ordinarily resides in Canada. So you have to meet this criteria. Once you select this and click next, we come to the corporate information. Here, my company will be a provincial Canadian. There are three options here: federal, provincial, and sole proprietorship. We are selecting provincial Canadian, corporation based in Alberta. And then the address, my company will operate in these are the drop down options. Choose closest to your business. I'm choosing consulting. And then company's fiscal year. I'm not touching this. You can go and change if you want. Okay. So I'll keep it as December as the launch day. And then click next. Here, since we are going with the numbered corporation, it will show up like this. If not, if you have chosen named corporation, once you come to this page, your company name will show up like this. Okay. So that's the step which you will have to do. I'll go with the numbered corporation and then click next. We come to the agent for service. In Alberta, you will have to appoint an agent who can accept mail on your behalf of corporation. So once you click on read more, this is the detail. Okay. You can go through this at your own time. Here, I'm self-appointing myself as the agent. I'll keep as it is. If you want to add any new person, you can add that. I'm keeping it as it is. And then click next. Here on the overview company ownership, I will manage and own this company by myself. That is 100% share. If there are other partners who are joining in, then this option will be chosen. I will not go into this. I'll keep it by myself and then click next. So we come to choose your plan. Here, the registration fee, what is the government registration fee and the legal formation fee, that is shown. You can have a look at this. And once you come down, you have this annual subscription, which is available to you. 1 minute book plan, which is free for the first year. And for every renewal thereafter, it's $199 after 1 year. And if you're going for a managed corporation plan, for the first year, it is $499 and then it renews at $599 after 1 year. You can choose whichever plan you want. Okay, I'll be selecting this plan. But before that, it also says save $300 instantly by opening an RBC bank account. Okay, we'll see that when we go to the next page by selecting the plan. And now we are on the billing information page. So it will show you the summary of what will go out of your hand. And you can see here the pro discount is applied, and by choosing RBC bank account, you're getting that additional $300 discount. So if I don't choose that, let me show that to you. If I don't choose that, then the total comes to $564. Okay. So I'm keeping RBC bank account as it is. And then once we come down here, you see here, by clicking next, you agree to open an RBC bank account within 60 days of payment. If you do not open the bank account, the discount will not apply and your credit card will be charged the remaining $300. So read this term. Okay. If you are having a business incorporated, you will need to have a business bank account. So you can have a look at this option, what you have here. And once you go through, check, recheck and cross-check, click next. And here you'll have to enter your payment information. That is your credit or debit card detail, their expiration date, and the CVC. So once all this is done and you do your payment, you will come to the final review where whatever has been entered so far, you will get to review that again, check, recheck and cross-check. And once you confirm, sit back and relax. After that, Ownr will start working and get your incorporation active. So whenever the incorporation is active, they will send you a communication on email, and after which you can start with your business. I hope you found this video useful. And in case you have any question, please use the comment section. And do let me know if you found this video useful. Thank you guys.